Hey, what's up everybody? Quick update of the Regal. I know it's been a minute since we posted anything of it. I'm gonna show you what's going on. I know it's been a while. Was ready for paint, but how we're in Utah, it's gonna be snowing here soon, so we're gonna go ahead and do the suspension first. Make it look good before the paint. Took out the 3 3/4 springs, 2-inch uniballs. And then the spindles here, they'll be for sale. Let me know. I'm gonna do Caprice A-arms. Make this look all good before the paint. Show you my new parts we got going. Here's a look at the parts for the upgrade. Steering wheel linkage kit. Complete kit right here from Prime One Mobile. Still on its plastic. Gold ball joints right here from the homie Julio, local in town. Some red boots from Corona Chrome. Good quality right there. New chrome springs, 3 3/4. And then right here we got the new spindles from Krazy Kutting. Shout out to Santiago, one of my sponsors out there. Still wrapped up. And more to come too.